Vegas, baby. So this is going to be a two-part series where I break down my trip to Vegas. Basically a food vlog, kind of, but not really. It's just a vlog, but with a voiceover. Hope y'all enjoy. Had a fun time. Spent a lot of money, and got lots of stories to tell. I didn't film everything, especially when I lost my money, but I had some fun, and here we go. First stop, we go to EddieWorld. Pretty cool place. Apparently the largest gas station in California. Pretty impressive. Walked into EddieWorld, as we can see here. Looks like an emporium. Got some random knickknacks. Pete's Coffee, an ice cream store, a food court. Basically a bunch of candy here, made especially from EddieWorld. Kind of very unique, pretty cool candy. But here we have is the Los Angeles Lakers wall. I think the floor here is from the Forum. The Forum where they won their 5 championships with Magic and Kareem. Got a Shaq jersey. Got Kobe and as well as Jerry West. Pretty cool sight to see. I wasn't expecting to see basketball memorabilia, to be honest. Which is, as we go next to the food court, we tried out the food here. Vegan stuff. I didn't get that, but I got a sandwich. Here's the dirty dog. Salsa. Cheese. Oh my gosh, it's kind of hard to keep up. Wait, quesadilla right there. I got myself a grilled chicken sandwich. Trying to eat a little healthy. Got some coleslaw. Some random stuff in it. Avocado. Ain't too crazy and stuff, but here I'm going to show how the sandwich looks like. A lot of breading. It was a lot of breading. It was like $10.99. It wasn't too bad. Like, the bread was good, but it was just like, dude, the proportions were a little off. The coleslaw I thought was the best thing about this burger, but besides that, it was not bad. I would say 5 out of 10. Pretty decent. It's not too wild. It's just the avocados was pretty fresh, actually. But it was just like the coleslaw was really good. Besides that, it was just like, you know, I was hungry at the time. It wasn't mind-blowing. It was good enough. As we move on, here's the solar panel farms. Pretty cool. The UV rays get refracted into those panels. Magnifies the solar panel farm, which makes it pretty cool. And we're driving down. We see the 7 Magic Mountains. Then, bam, we're in Vegas. Eiffel Tower.
Can't be the same expedition.
Strip. Here we are, about to get right into the hotel. Pretty cool. We stayed at Grand Desert by Wyndham. It was a little off the strip. It's right next to the Topgolf. Here's the entrance of the hotel. Here's how it looks like. Pretty cool. It's honestly, hotels in Vegas, I can't really complain. This is probably the nicest room I ever had, and I've even gone to like one of the nicer hotels on the strip. This was off the strip. It was pretty affordable. We got a huge suite. Or not a huge suite. It was like basically like a 3-bedroom, and it had hella stuff, and it was pretty secure too. It was pretty clean. You always needed a key card to use the elevator and stuff. So we got onto the 9th floor, which was pretty nice views, actually. I think my room had the best view. I got the room. Well, I'll show you here. Into the room. Here we go. Dude, the fan was already on in. Interesting. But, so there's a whole dining table. There's like 3 couches. That couch itself is also a bed. There's a countertop. As we hear, this is the master bedroom with a jacuzzi and a shower and a separate toilet room, which is interesting, and a double sink. There was only 5 of us here, which was kind of crazy because, dude, this is a 3-bedroom and there was like 5 beds. Each person legit had their own bed, which is nice. This is my room here. I got like, I claimed this room like almost instantly, low key, and then here's like 2 full-size beds in here as well. See, it's pretty comfy when you only have 5 people. Honestly, you could easily, you know, have 8 people here sleep comfortably as well. Here's another bathroom. They actually had an extra sink on the side, as you can see me here. And this bathroom, I mean, it's not the craziest, but it's just how big of this place is insane. So moving on, nighttime, going towards the strip here at the intersection, getting into Caesar's Palace. We decided to go eat at a steakhouse, Homestead. It was a really expensive place, really classy. Had to dress up somewhat casually or more casual. I mean, I wore pants and not really a button-up, but a shirt. But prices on this menu kind of outrageous for my liking. I'm not a rich kid. I'm unemployed, and look at those cuts of meat. $110, $175 for a ribeye, 38 ounce, which is pretty big. But I mean, a tomahawk always has the bone in. We got the OH burger. Yeah, we got the looking saucy with them fries. I think those were some duck fat fries as well. So this OH burger came with some cheese on top, dry aged ground beef with bits of Wagyu, as well as foie gras on top of it. It's actually the most insanely material pure. It's like the most expensive burger I ever eaten. If you remember my In-N-Out challenge, I ate $34 of food and I didn't even finish it, but that was $34 of food, and here we are cutting open the burger, and look at that concentration, and here we go. Honestly, the fries are in the way, but you know, it's kind of weird filming in public. Zoom in on the fries, kinda. The fries were cool. I mean, they're just kind of like the restaurant fries you kind of get. I think the seasoning was cool. I think it was like truffle and duck fat. Obviously, this is a $38 burger, including fries. But look at this cross section, though. I got it medium. The cheese on top of the foie gras. It was pretty good. It was pretty insane. So here we got with the first bite. That was like a $5 bite, low key. Flavors delved in. Not really any flavors, to be honest, but premium ingredients just melting in your mouth. How tender the burger is. The foie gras, the cheese, its compliments and stuff. It's insane. Another bite. We dive right back in. Honestly, the only thing missing about this burger was some sauce. Obviously, we're paying premium ingredients. I kind of understand what their concept is good. So you're paying for the beefiness of the flavor. The foie gras, the cheese, understandable. But, yeah, I think the ketchup they offered us, though, so we had ketchup on the site as well. I think it was like cocktail sauce and ketchup. It was very sweet. I thought it tasted like bananas at one point, but it wasn't that. So the burger, it was pretty good. Honestly, it's worth the price you're paying for the ingredients it has. But one thing I would say, it was missing a sauce. For sure, it was missing maybe a creamy garlic butter sauce. I'm not too sure what to put on, but just a slight sauce. There was not like the umami flavor that you kind of want, or you go to In-N-Out, you get Thousand Island, or Big Mac, they got that secret sauce. There's a little missing some sauce right there. So besides that, the burger itself, I would say a 7 out of 10. The price, $38. You're paying for the ingredients, obviously, but the flavor could be better if I was going to shell out that much money next time. Here we're at Lou's Diner. A little off the strip, actually. It's a few minutes out. But the prices are so cheap, bro. You can't really complain. Can't complain at all. It's like 10 to 13 bucks. I mean, I'm from the Bay, so everything in the Bay is kind of expensive. So I was kind of mind blown by these prices. I mean, it's just breakfast. It's not that crazy. Here's their homemade jam. Dude, this jam was insane, too. Dude, they made this in-house. I was, very impressed, dude. Never had a jam like this. I'm not even a jam person, but, I was very impressed, bro. I was just and I don't know. I was just damn. So our server was insane, actually. This guy was, one of the best servers I ever seen in my life. Here's me reacting to the crackers. Here's my thing. I got the chicken fried steak you gotta go to. Got over easy eggs. My friend got some chicken sandwich. I don't know what it is, but dude, this was all $10, bro. I think $10.99. That's the crazy thing. Chicken fried steak for $10.99 usually is really uncalled for. especially in the Bay. It's like $17.99 on price with all this type of food. So I got hash on the side. Dude. Here we go, cutting it down. Gotta be professional, gotta be gritty, gotta be classy. Cross section is a little dry. I'm not gonna lie, a little messy, but I mean, with that price and the value, you can't really complain much about it. I honestly couldn't complain. It's better than Denny's for sure. So, if you want to gauge how good it is, the hash browns were really crispy. The gravy was really good. Like I said, the toast was freaking buttered up. The one thing about this place, though, they use a lot of butter. They put so much butter. They put butter on the gravy. They put butter on my chicken fried steak. They put butter on other stuff as well. They put butter on my toast. It was already buttered on. And usually they put butter on the side and you put that on. You know, they make you do the work. But they just decided to go all in on butter. So it was pretty good. Like I said, a lot of butter. So I felt a little out of it the rest of the day. So next off, we did Gold Coast bowling. Not the craziest thing, but dude, when I say Gold Coast bowling, it's iconic here. I think. I don't know if it's iconic. I always see it on people's story, but the prices are iconic. Jaw dropping. I'm not lying, dude. $325 for games and then $425 for shoes, or is it $350 for games? But who cares? It's under $8. Can't really complain much. We played one game. I blow. You can see my friend bowling here. I don't know. I think he bowled a strike in the beginning. I didn't really film much of the bowling because. Oh, he got the strike in the beginning. I ended up bowling a 105. You know, I'm pretty proud with triple digits. I kind of redeemed myself from like the week before. Then here's my first sports bet. I ended up losing money anyways. So shake my head there. So moving on, dude. On a hike to the journeys afar called Red Rock Canyon. As you can see here, we drove like 30 minutes out from our location. Here my friend knocking out. It's honestly surprisingly beautiful because I thought Vegas was just kind of flat, you know, deserty, but dude, these rocks though, kind of insane. On our way there. So the one thing about this place though, it's a driving thing, right? You drive on a scenic route. Have you ever been on the Cars ride at Disneyland California Adventure? It's similar to the same thing, but there's like stop points. There's checkpoints though, so you can get out, obviously, your car and take pictures and stuff. As you can see, us here, slowly fast forwarding. Yeah, we took some video of these mountains, dude. So nice, so beautiful. Super red. I was pretty surprised once again that Vegas had this type of vibe. Honestly, it was kind of jaw dropping. We got on top of a bunch of rocks, took a bunch of pictures. I'll show you some photos right now. Here's some photos of me, bam, my friends, boom, boom, boom. And man, dude, once again, I felt like I was on top of the world. Like how red these rocks are. It's like the mini Grand Canyon, but you don't have to drive that far to Grand Canyon. Well, that's it. Thanks for tuning in, though. That's part 1 of this vlog. As much as I want to do a 30-minute vlog, I don't really want to. It doesn't make sense viewership retention-wise. I don't even know if this one makes sense either. It's a little long, but once again, like and subscribe.